पश्चिम बंगाल की सबसे चर्चित और हाई प्रोफाइल सीटों में से एक भवानीपुर विधानसभा क्षेत्र, जो मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी का गढ़ भी माना जाता है, वहां प्रशासन ने सुरक्षा व्यवस्था को कड़ा कर दिया है। रिजल्ट से पहले किसी भी तरह की अप्रिय स्थिति से बचने के लिए पुलिस और अर्धसैनिक बलों की तैनाती बढ़ा दी गई है। जगह जगह बैरिकेडिंग की गई है और संवेदनशील इलाकों में सुरक्षा व्यवस्था कड़ी दिख रही है।
We are keeping round the clock watch. The mandate of the people are going to be protected with our lives if it comes to that. I have been awake for the last 72 hours, and if need be, I am going to be awake till the completion of counting and till the formation of BJP government on 4th.
Are they trying to do any type of conspiracy or anything? Do you think like that, sir?
Of course, they have forgotten how to fight a free and fair election. That is their only modus operandi. But all their planning is going to go to waste. This time, we have also planned ourselves. As you have seen, every election, intimidation and threat would come from the BJP, and there would not be much of a response from our end. Yesterday has shown that this threat and intimidation from TMC, yesterday has shown that this threat and intimidation of TMC will not work anymore. We are going to respond to each and every threat that they make. We are going to respond in their equal word. They are going to be paid back in the same coin if it comes to it.
On the other hand, Mamata Banerjee is saying TMC is coming to the power.
She is going to win till the declaration of till the opening of the ballot box, till the opening of the EVMs. After that, once the mandate of the people comes out, it will be crystal clear who is going to come to power and who is not going to come to power.
Demands you're keeping to keep the strong rooms here.
Yes, we've asked for additional deployment of central forces. We made the request to the returning officer as well as the chief electoral officer. I'm sure steps are going to be taken and additional forces are going to be deployed.
कोलकाता से लाइव फ्रेम ये है आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग रूम।
अरे এইটা
हमें लोग
আমার কোথায় গো
हाँ हाँ हालात ये हाँ अच्छा पूरे देश की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारा सामान देखते हुए एक्टिव हुए आज तो बढ़िया